In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel's conditional formatting like a pro. Have you used charts in Excel to show data? There's another way called conditional formatting. It colors cells based on their values. For example, think about sales figures for different salespeople. You might want to know who's meeting their monthly sales goal. Instead of just numbers, you can use colors to help you. To do this, first pick your data by selecting from the sales area. Then, find Conditional Formatting on the Home tab. Click Highlight Cells Rules and choose Greater Than. Let's say you are working as a sales manager and the sales goal for each person in your team is €7,000. When you type this number, cells with more than €7,000 change color. You can also choose different styles and click OK. Now, the cells stand out, showing who met or beat their goal. For example, March and April were good months. Next, there are presets for conditional formatting. Pick your data again and go to Conditional Formatting. There are 3 types: data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Hover over them to learn more. Data bars are similar to bar graphs, where the length of the bar inside a cell reflects its value. Color scales alter the cell's background color depending on its value. With icon sets, you can include symbols, ratings, and indicators. You can use many rules together to highlight different things. If you decide to remove all rules, select your cells, go to Conditional Formatting, and choose Clear Rules. You can clear rules for selected cells or everything. To remove specific rules, go to Manage Rules. There, you'll see all your rules. Pick the one you want to remove and click Delete Rule. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use conditional formatting like a pro in Excel, empowering you to create more insightful and polished spreadsheets. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.